It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today is a really cold morning, and I thought, you know what, we're going to try another cold start on the Kubota L2502. It is minus 17, which is in Celsius, and if you use Fahrenheit, it's about 1.4, so it's really cold out here. Let's see how it starts. I'm going to run the glow plugs, which is turning back on the key. You have the glow plug light on. I'm going to put the throttle at full. And we're going to fire it up, see what happens. Ooh, we're going to glow it again. There you go, Kubota L2502 will start pretty good at minus 17 out. That is really cold. I had to glow it twice. It didn't fire up on the first go. But you know what? That's pretty reasonable. That's not even plugged in, nothing, and it's kind of not even sheltered. So there you go. Can a Kubota L2502 start in the cold? It definitely can. So that's about enough for today.